So hello guys, it's Goli. Welcome to another challenge. Sorry for the delay. I couldn't record video for a long time, and but here I'm back again. So let's get started. Today we want to talk about another challenge. So last time we uploaded a file into a server, to a system. And then so we put a PHP file there, and then after uploading that file, our command get implemented, and we saw the password file of the system. But here they say for security reasons we are only accept image file, so probably we cannot send directly a PHP file. Let's see. This is from Natas 11. Let me upload that, and we can see file is not an image. So let's see source code. Here you can see the function for get random string. We had it, make a path, and also make a path from the file name. So we had this, it was for the naming. And here if it gets an error, upload max size and big here. So this is new, something new. File is not an image, the error that we got. And here it's written exif image type, and this is our image. So if this one doesn't if this one won't be accepted, so it should be false. So what it is, let's see what does it mean. What it means, and exif image. So basically we have something which is called the magic number of the files, and for different files different, but all of the files of that type have the same. For example, for PDF always it starts with this, and then for another type as well, PNG, JPEG, or everything. But here the thing is that we should send our PHP code with a signature of an image file. This is PDF, so we will find something for JPEG, and we will send our code with a JPEG signature. So let's come here, and okay, let me just turn on my intercept. Okay, let's browse the image JPEG. So it's a small JPEG file. Upload it. Let's upload this. So here it's our burp suite, and let's see what it tells us here. Yeah, this is the name. So okay, let's change it to PHP, and here this is our file, and the first part here we shouldn't change it because it contains the signature of a JPEG file, but here is the content, and we will change that. So we will delete the content, but we still have the signature of a JPEG file. This is our command from last challenge, so we will just simply copy it, and we will paste it here. So you can see it's passed through this command, cat etc Natas Web Passport Natas 14 with the signature of a JPEG file. So basically it's not a JPEG file, so we are fake it, and let's see if the system will understand it or not. And also we change the extension of the file, and let's forward it. So you can see here the file has been uploaded, and when we run it, so again we should forward this packet from our burp suite, and you can see here the file works. Here is the first part that we didn't change, which contains the signature of an image, and here is the password file. So let's copy this for next Natas 14. Yeah, forward Natas 14, new password, again forward, And yes, here we are in Natas 14. So this challenge was uploading a fake file instead of another file. So it was not a JPEG, but we fake it and we pretend it's a JPEG file, and I really like that. So it's a kind of realistic issue that you can do. And yeah, it was this. I hope you enjoyed, and please support, subscribe, and like my channel, and share my video as well if you like. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.